How much should you actually spend on a drywall screw gun? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1. DeWalt 20V Max Drywall Screw Gun. Let's kick things off with the DeWalt 20V Max Drywall Screw Gun, which is priced around $128. What stood out to me is its brushless motor that enhances efficiency and runtime. If you want a reliable tool that helps you get the job done faster without overheating, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The DeWalt screw gun features a wide variable speed range with dedicated high and low settings. This means you can easily adjust the speed depending on whether you're working with light or heavy gauge substrates. It also has 4 dedicated tool modes, allowing you to switch between high speed, low speed, push start, and lock on mode effortlessly. With a 4.5-star rating from over 2,100 reviews, it's clear that many users appreciate its consistency and performance. Now, some people complained about the weight, saying it can feel a bit heavy over extended use. Here's the thing though, if you're working on a big project and need power, that weight can actually feel reassuring and stable. But if you're looking for something super lightweight, this might not be your best pick. This is perfect for you if you're a contractor or a serious DIYer looking for efficiency. Skip this one if you need something ultralight for quick jobs. It offers solid value for the money with its robust features. Product number 2. Adjustable DIMPLER Drywall Bit. Next up is the adjustable DIMPLER Drywall Bit, priced at just $19.95. I was genuinely surprised by how effective this small attachment can be. If you want to convert your regular drill into a drywall screw gun without spending a fortune, this is worth a serious look. This tool solves your problem by allowing you to customize screw depth with its innovative adjustable dimpler clutch. With 4 depth adjustments, you can ensure your screws are perfectly placed. No more uneven screw placements ruining your project. Plus, it features a secure magnetic screw holder that keeps screws in place during installation. With a 4.1-star rating from over 1,000 reviews, it's apparent that many DIY enthusiasts and professionals find it helpful. However, some users pointed out that it might not be durable enough for heavy-duty jobs. Here's the thing. If you're a weekend warrior or someone taking on light to medium projects, this will serve you well. But if you're tackling bigger jobs, you might want to look for something more robust. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly solution to enhance your existing drill. Skip this if you need a heavy-duty screwdriver for constant use. With its low price, it offers excellent value for what it can do. Product number 3. Milwaukee 2866 to 20M 18 Fuel Screw Gun. The next product is the Milwaukee 2866 to 20M 18 Fuel Drywall Screw Gun, retailing for about $164.99. This tool caught my eye with its power state brushless motor design to deliver 4,500 RPMs. Now that's impressive. If you want speed and efficiency, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The auto start mode feature means that the motor only runs when a screw contacts the drywall, leading to less noise and a longer runtime. This is a huge benefit when working in quiet environments or when you want to maximize battery life. Plus, it's compatible with all M18 batteries, which is great if you already have Milwaukee tools. With a 4.6-star rating from 1,400 users, it's clearly a favorite among professionals. That said, some users mentioned that it only comes as a bare tool, meaning you need to buy the batteries separately, which can add to the overall cost. But if you're already in the Milwaukee ecosystem, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want powerful performance in a cordless format. Skip this if you prefer to have everything included in one package. It's a solid investment for serious contractors. Product number 4. DeWalt 20V Max XR Screw Gun. Now let's talk about the DeWalt 20V Max XR Screw Gun, which is priced around $186.53. This caught my attention with its VersaClutch system, allowing for adjustable torque. If you want something that helps prevent damage to your materials, this is worth a serious look. This product solves your problem by providing consistent speed up to 2,000 RPMs, which is ideal for metal fastening and ensures you won't overdrive screws. The built-in LED light also helps you see in dark spaces, making it easier to work in less than ideal conditions. With a 4.6-star rating from over 800 reviews, users appreciate its reliability and performance. However, some users find it on the pricier side compared to other models. Here's the thing. While it's true it costs more, the features and durability make it a worthwhile investment for those who need it regularly. This is perfect for you if you're a contractor needing a dependable tool for metal applications. Skip this if you're looking for something more budget-friendly. It's definitely a premium choice that packs a punch. Product number 5. DeWalt Drywall Screw Gun, 6.0 amp. Lastly, we have the DeWalt Drywall Screw Gun, 6.0 amp, available for $93.09. What impressed me is its depth-sensitive nose piece for consistent fastener depth. If you want a reliable and straightforward option, this is worth a serious look. This tool solves your problem by featuring a high-speed motor that operates at 5,300 revolutions per minute, making it efficient for production drywall hanging. The lightweight design also contributes to comfort during extended use, which is essential for larger projects. With a 4.3-star rating from over 600 reviews, it's clear users value its ease of use. That said, a few users reported it can feel a bit bulky for smaller hands. Here's the thing. If you're used to larger tools or have bigger hands, this might be a non-issue. But for those who prefer lighter, smaller tools, you might want to try it out first. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable tool for drywall installation without breaking the bank. Skip this if you have smaller hands and prefer something lightweight. It's a solid value for the money. So, to wrap it all up, we've covered the DeWalt 20V Max screw gun for efficiency, the Dimpler for budget-friendly versatility, the Milwaukee M18 for powerful performance, the DeWalt XR for adjustable torque, and the classic DeWalt 6.0 amp for dependable ease of use. Each has its strengths, so think about what you really need before making a choice.